With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that the relationship between the phase difference delta phi and the path difference delta r between two interfering waves is given by what? Okay, and lambda is given wavelength. So over here, if you see properly, we know from the interference chapter, okay, the relation between path difference and phase difference, phase difference is given by what? It is given by delta phi, basically not delta phi, delta x equals 2 pi by lambda into delta phi. Okay, so this is the relation that we know. Okay, this relation is given in our books and it is also derived. Okay, relation. So if we deduce this relation, okay, so what we'll have, delta phi must be equal to lambda divided by 2 pi into delta x. Okay, where delta x is the phase difference and delta x is the path difference and delta phi is the phase difference. Okay, so this is the this is basically the relation between delta phi. And for interfering waves and constructive interference, we also have some formulas, but we don't need to know it now. So this is basically our answer and the relation. So our answer will be option number. Basically it was given in this format only. The option number A is given in this format, which is delta x equals to 2 pi by delta I, but option A is incorrect. So basically our answer will be option number C. If you see, okay, option C is absolutely in the format of this equation, you can see. Okay, but option A, if you see, it was also this equation, but this, if it would be inverse, then this would also be the answer, but option A is not the answer. Our answer is option number C. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.